Hi everyone, I am Chinmay Kuspare. I hope you all are doing great. I am here to talk on behalf of the executive body of National Security Council. I endorse the hard work of team of National Security Council. With me now I have Vikram Advani. Hi Vikram sir.
Yes, hi Chinmay, hi everyone. And before we start talking about National Security Council, kudos to the Litmon team for coming up with this yet another brilliant version. And this charity MUN I hope is going to be as good as the previous lit ones because we are seeing that you guys are working even harder compared to the last MUN. So yes, Chinmay, you're supposed to talk about the National Security Council.
Yes, and I have few questions for you.
Yes, go ahead.
The very first question is, why did you came up with the concept of National Security Council, Vikram?
Yes, so I was having this discussion with Prajakta here, and we were trying to discuss how we can engage the youth of today into participating in these Model United Nations or political debates, because this is a sense of awareness, this is their sense of having a responsibility that they are responsible for this nation. So the fundamental question was ki, how can we engage them? So Prajakta and me came up with a solution in which we try to stimulate a situation in which the IPS officers, the raw officers of India, they act, the army officers, they act and try to give solid answers to our international adversaries and come up with solutions of our national issues and unite this nation and to respect the democratic principles that were brought up by the founders.
Wow, that's great, Vikram. My second question for you is, why do you think people should participate in this type of MUN?
So talking about charity MUN and National Security Council in particular, I believe that India in 21st century, we deserve the leaders who are looked up to by the citizens and not the ones who are politically laughed at. So to achieve this, I guess, engagement should be improved. This is what we talked about in the previous statement. And again, to do this, we need to understand these issues from their fundamental origins, and only then we can say that this is wrong or this is right. And I've observed a lot of trends in the youth of the 21st century where they're politically active, they're politically aware, but again, all they do is they politically criticize political parties on Twitter and Instagram, which is a wonderful way to express your freedom of speech, but not a wonderful way to bring about real and meaningful change. So the thing that is important here is, if you want to bring real and lasting change, please participate in committees like National Security Council and try to have an understanding of how issues like international politics are addressed.
Wow, very well said, Vikram. My last question for you is, any messages to all the youngsters out there?
Yes, so again, delegates, it's not just about this MUN, it's not just about my committee, it's not just about the things that I'm involved in or the politics or the MUNs that I endorse, it's about you. I want you to participate in MUNs like charity MUN or any other political thing that you see in your day-to-day life. Please participate and show them the example of your power so that organizations like Charity MUN can listen to your views and show the world the power of your example. This is it, delegates. This is it, everyone. Please take care, and if you can attend the National Security Council, we promise you an enriching debate. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.